Let me call her.
Hello, where are you?
We are at Live Asoke Rama 9711. Where are you?
Yeah, me too.
Mommy, this is another 7-Eleven. She must be forgotten. Dog cannot go in. How convenient it is. There is a 7-Eleven before entering the condo and another one just right below the building. There are more features making this condo very popular. Live Asoke Rama 9 was completed in year 2020. Total 2,248 units in 2 buildings. The developer is using the concept of modern urban living with extensive facilities, such as 3 swimming pools, multiple areas of co-working space, and 2 levels of gym. Watch the full video to see what is the reason this project is fully sold. Before showing the facilities, let us show you the units that we are going to present today first. This is a 35 square meter, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom unit on level 34. All the windows are facing northeast. In this project, not all the units are having this kind of unblocked view. It's because there are several other condos surrounding this area. 1.
Yes?
Do you know which is the most attractive part in these units?
You want me to mention about your wife, right?
No, I want to talk about this long desk. You know, there are a lot of digital nomads or people work from home, want to rent a condo from us, and then they have like 2 or 3 monitors want to work on together. And also, you see this corner is a hidden corner for them to put their luggage. In a lot of 1-bedroom units, we don't have a storeroom. And this is a sofa bed. Hey, Bao, can you help instead of crossing your arms?
I'm here.
See? Perfect. The TV console actually it has some marks left behind from the previous tenant. So this TV console actually was a custom-made item. We used black and white spray paints to paint the surface. So of course, after some years, the paints like peel off. We will consider it as wear and tear, and it will not affect your deposit. We will not deduct that. But you know, sometimes like this kind of mark can be avoided. The tenant actually should put some coasters under the hot mark. All these. I really hope all my tenants will treat our units as their own home.
Why we need a sliding door between living room and dining room?
This one, it can be converted into a bedroom. Let's say we can install a roller blind or paste frosted glass sticker to provide some privacy.
But no aircon there.
Use Dyson fan now, need to be flexible ma. You see, that's why you don't understand what is this sliding door for.
Really, ma? I found another bedroom. So every time I saw the sliding door, it means we can convert to the bedroom.
Shut up. Okay, this can be your bedroom. I think it's big enough. You're this tall. So I think it can fit your mattress. After talking about the long desk, the sofa bed, a very spacious dining room here, and 1 bedroom, a very good sized kitchen. Now let's look at the bedroom.
Your what?
Hey, give it a close up. Nice one, okay? But actually, I want to talk about the balcony here. In this unit, the balcony is inside the bedroom. So, if somebody stayed in Thailand before, you should aware about the condo rules here is pretty strict. We used to have a tenant who smoked at the balcony, like he got caught many times. So when the tenant checked in, actually they have to read the rules and regulations. It states that okay, what you have to do, like you have to wear proper costume to the swimming pool, so and so forth, or else you will get fined. But that is fine. Here, they mention.
Okay.
Anyways, like the residents has to sign here to acknowledge that they understand all the condo rules. Okay, the last area that we have to look is the bathroom. So again, Jet and Jill bathroom, it became a trend. You can enter from the bedroom or from the living room. This unit is for rent at 25,000 baht per month, including once a month cleaning service. We are having a cleaning team to provide weekly or monthly or upon request services. We are also starting to have furniture cleaning service. Contact me by the below methods if you want to be our tenant. We will take care of you throughout the tenancy period. And now, let's look at the facilities. The monthly rent is covering all the facilities access, starting from a double-deck glass house next to the main entrance and more resting areas on the 7th floor. Other facilities are from 44th to 46th floor. There are 2 separated fitness areas for Muay Thai training and cardio workouts. After crossing over a bridging corridor from Building B to Building A, we will see a luxurious ambience sky lounge. Free Wi-Fi is provided in all common areas. This terrace is overseeing the whole Rama 9 and right above the Olympic-sized swimming pool, which is located on 44th floor. All enclosed facilities are using face scanning access. The well-equipped 2 levels fitness center is opposite to the Sky Lounge. First level is mostly for weight and strength training. Cardio training machines is available on both 45th and 46th floor. Other than enjoying the panoramic city view on the treadmill, you could choose to have a view of yourself inside the cycling studio. Stability Boss workout could improve core strength and balance. In-house laundry shop is between 2 buildings on the ground floor. Individual charging chairs and other co-working spaces are scattered between ground floor and 2nd floor. All these amenities enhancing the overall work-from-home experience. These well-designed functional common spaces are perfect for most of the people who is seeking for an urban living style. We could build up self-motivation and enjoy life at the same time. The parcel collection and juristic person office is in between 2 buildings. Sprinkled drinking water is delivering on every Saturday. There is a staff assisting at the smart locker area. Trolleys can be borrowed for picking up heavy items. Life Asoke Rama 9 is a high-demand project in a fast-growth area. Rama 9 MRT is within 5 minutes walking distance. In our next video, we will show you how do we renovate a brand new unit with custom-made furniture, starting from defect inspection. If you like our videos and curious to know how the custom-made furniture unit looks like, click the subscribe button. We are making new videos every 2 weeks. We are Sophia and Komigo, the property agents and property agents in Bangkok.
Let me call her. Then how I call her I carry him? Oi.
How long more we have to wait?
Oi, too much. Okay.
Hey, B,
3, 2, 1.
B, here, B, here. Yeah. Okay, here. Let's look at the unit that we are going to present today. It's not opening.
Don't forget your wall art, nah.
What should I say?